We're going to do a brief video on Permian Stock. That's CDEV Stock News. And we're taking a look at a daily chart here with three moving averages. We have a 5-day in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Let's go back and take a good look at this stock real quick. And we can see that this stock is extremely volatile in terms of its in terms of the way it looks on this chart, but keep in mind this is a very low price stock. So from this point right here, that's about $7.50, and this is about $4. So we're not talking about a huge amount of money, but we are talking about a lot of volatility relative to most stocks. So let's take a look and see what's going on. If we go back here all the way to November of 2020, we can see we crossed over the 200-day moving average here and began a really good bull market. This price at this point was about 90 some cents. We crossed over and began to respect the 20-day moving average and had a really good bull market all the way up to about $6 at least, something like that. And we broke down, as you might expect, went sideways for a little while here, month, 2 months, and then started our bull market again. We're just examining how this stock trades. We can see it does respect the 200-day moving, the 20-day moving average, both going up and coming down. Came right here to this point, about $3.93 roughly, and respected the 200-day moving average. So even though it's a low-price stock, it has a lot of respect for the moving averages. You can see it had good respect for the 20-day, all the way up again to another new high here at about $8.29, and again crashed down and respected the 200-day moving average. Same thing all the way up, respected again here, and then we had our final blow off top right here at about June 8th on 2022. This price, roughly $9.70, was pretty much the end of this bull market, and you can see it just basically just collapsed. No respect for the 200-day, crashed right through it, and put in a low down here in July of about middle of July, about $5.08, which is pretty good, holding up pretty good, I would say, for a stock this price. Now you can see several things here. First of all, our 200-day moving average has gone flat. We're still respecting the 20-day. The price rallied right through the 200-day, didn't even test it, essentially didn't respect it on the way down, didn't test it on the way up. So the 200-day, now that it's flat, is moving out of the picture here, at least temporarily, in terms of something that can help us. It is still respecting the 20-day moving average, and that's important. In this particular past week or so, we have, you can see, a distribution. We've got a 20-day moving average moving up, a 5-day moving average moving down. So they're obviously taking profits here. It's no big relevation there, and they're oscillating back around the $8 level, taking some profits. They're trying to decide whether to put the stock up further because they believe it's got some value, or whether or not the stock's going to probably go sideways for at least a couple months, and they're working on that. So my best guess on this stock right now is you're probably going to get some trading down here around the $6.50 level in the next month of September. You'll probably see it down in there. This is all for entertainment purposes only, all my opinion, but you're probably going to get it down to the $6.50 and then back up probably to the low $8 range, and go back and forth here until we get through a little bit of November. That's my best guess for this stock, but I think that's probably what's going to happen. Keep in mind, this stock, there's no doubt, this is a volatile stock. Even though it's low price stock, it's volatile. It does respect the 20-day moving average, which is good. It means it should be, in my opinion, tradable, but you have to get on the right side of it, and it has to continue to respect these moving averages. But it's been pretty much doing that. Once you can get it into a decent trend, it tends to follow the 20-day moving average. So that's a good sign. But for the near future, the near month to 2 months, I see the stock going back and forth in a range of about probably the $6.50, and at the high level probably around $8.30, something like that. Back and forth in this range for the next month to 45 days is what I see for this stock right this second. Again, all my opinion, all for entertainment purposes only. This stock, I checked, we do not cover this stock at rbnresearch.com. I'll check and see what's going on. There's several things to keep in mind. This is a stock symbol PR. On most of the big sites, including Yahoo Finance, they list it as under the I think the Mexican symbol CDEV. This PR is the NASDAQ symbol, so that's where you're going to find it at the $7. If you go to the other symbol, CDEV, that's going to come up in pesos, I believe. Let me show you what we do here at rbamresearch.com. We do not cover that stock. Well, I'll check and see if we can cover it. But today we've put out 190 stocks. We put them out every morning before 7 a.m. This is for the 8th of September. We put out buy prices only for 190 stocks, and they're 1, 5, and 20-day holds. Basically, that means if you buy today, you cover within 1 trading day, 5 trading days, or 20 trading days, and you would cover at the end of those periods of time at a loss if you didn't take your profits sooner. So these algorithms, you get in, take your profits as soon as you can get them, get out worst case at the prescribed holding period. And again, they're trading days, not calendar days. And let's go down and take a look. These are all zeros, indicating that these algorithms for today are saying the market is not a great buy. It's got a bearish tint to the market today. So you can see we have a Verizon entry points on here and 1 or 2 others, but most of them are zeros today, and that happens probably once a week. Most of the time these are 80% populated or more. So we cover 190 stocks, we cover the most liquid futures contracts, we cover the major forex pairs, and we cover BTC for crypto, all available by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. You can just go follow the link, go there, sign up, and get these entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you have a comment you can leave us on how to make these videos better, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below. Please keep in mind that everything you've heard or seen on here, including our commentary and our entry prices, is for entertainment purposes only. It's all our opinion. You can't use it for anything other than entertainment, and you must trade, and you do trade, at your own risk.